Hi friends, I'm Anupriya. Welcome to the English class. In this session, I'm going to pick an important grammar lesson that is active passive voice. And the tense we are going to learn today, that is simple future tense. Yes. So when we talk about the simple future tense, can you tell me the helping or auxiliary verb of this tense? That is will or shall. But there is a star information about the use of shall. Nowadays, in English grammar, I'll repeat it again, that nowadays in English grammar, we do not use shall along with every subject. Yes, हम shall का use उस तरीके से नहीं करते जैसे कि हम traditional earlier grammar में किया करते थे. Shall is especially used with I and we. Both are subject in a sentence, alright? But that too, only few situations when something is mandatory और स्पेशली मेंशन टू बी फॉलो. जब कुछ करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट या जरूरी होता है तब हम शैल का यूज करते हैं. लाइक आई शैल टीच यू. व्हेन आई से आई शैल टीच यू, इट मींस दैट इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड नेसेसरी एंड मैंडेटरी टू टीच यू बाय मी. ऑलराइट, सो शैल इज यूज्ड स्पेशली विद आई एंड वी. In one of the example of the last sentence, I have not mentioned shall here because will is followed by every subject in active voice. So shall is not there till now in simple future tense. That's why I have mentioned shall, because shall abhi bhi survive kar raha hai, but will is completely okay when we speak or write in English grammar in simple future tense. So now I'll come on the active and passive voice. My complete information is all about the use of shall and will. Coming to the sentence, she will buy a car. She will buy a car simple future tense का एक सिंपल सा assertive sentence है. तो हम फर्स्ट रूल क्या फॉलो करते हैं जब हमको उसको पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करना होता है? स्टेप या रूल ये है कि हमें सेंटेंस में आइडेंटिफाई करना है थ्री थिंग्स दैट आर सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. सो इन सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस व्हाट यू से, व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट? दैट इज द शी. हेड ऑफ द सेंटेंस पर है. बाय इज अ वर्ब, डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे विल भी है, लेकिन विल इसका हेल्पिंग वर्ब है. हमको बाय को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, मेन वर्ब आइडेंटिफाई करना है. सो बाय एंड कार इस सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्ट है. जंपिंग टू द पैसिव कंस्ट्रक्शन, रूल क्या कहता है कि हम ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट से रिप्लेस कर देते हैं. और जब हम ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट की जगह रखते हैं पैसिव वॉइस में, तो वो हमारा सब्जेक्ट हो जाता है, क्योंकि जो वर्ड हेड ऑफ द सेंटेंस रहता है दैट इज नोन एज द सब्जेक्ट. The sentence in passive voice. Now, a car will be. Mention it properly. Will be passive voice में simple future tense का आपका helping verb. So, car will be third form of the verb जो कि एक necessary object है. A car will be bought by her. Alright. See the negative construction. She will not buy a car here. A car will not be. Not को हमने कुछ किया है will and be के between में. Will not be third form of the word bought by her, जो कि वहाँ she था. Looking at the next one, will she buy a car, which is an interrogative construction. We are asking a question here. Jumping to the passive construction, will, क्योंकि ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब है सिंपल फ्यूचर का, तो हम इसको हेड ऑफ द सेंटेंस रखेंगे सो दैट इट वुड अपीयर कि हम एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं और ये एक इंट्रोगेटिव क्वेश्चन है, सॉरी सेंटेंस है. विल अ कार, दैट इज द सब्जेक्ट हियर, बी बॉट बाय हर. टेक अनदर एग्जांपल, दे विल फिनिश द वर्क. हियर वी आर सीइंग सब्जेक्ट हमारा क्या है? प्लूरल है. They will finish the work and object क्या है? That is singular. But क्योंकि passive voice में object जो होता है वो subject की जगह आ जाता है, so word here is a singular object. So definitely आपका जो singular object है वो यहाँ पर singular subject बन जाएगा जब वो passive voice में आएगा. So the work will be finished by them. Now next is he will visit many places. So, he is singular, places, definitely many places, that is plural, but nothing to worry because we are using only will be in passive formation. So, many places will be visited, third form of the verb, by him. He किस में convert हो गया? Him. I hope till now you must have remembered that which pronoun is turning into which one. Alright, so he is turning into him. We will bring gifts many gifts, not a single gift. So here our subject is also plural and our object is also plural. But again, no worries, because simple future tense tells us that in passive voice we are following only will be. So gifts will be brought, which is third form of bring. By whom? By us, because we is turning into us. So in this way we have learned that in simple future tense, in passive voice, the helping verb is will be plus third form of the verb, and the subject comes at the place of object, come at the place of subject in passive voice. So I hope this session is clear to you and you're going to practice it. That's all for this session. If you have any doubt, any query, please write down in the space given below and do tell us. Thank you.